day has come, and it is a nice day today. Look at that. The parts are in. Box number 1 and box number 2. Let's get it going. Yep, here it is in its current form. I just got back from a trip, so this is exactly how it looks from coming back. So pretty basic. It's gotten us by for a few trips now, so we just had to get used to the tote boxes, and sometimes that could be a struggle when you got about 4, 5, 6 tote boxes trying to go through each box and find all your things. So looking forward to getting a legit setup going and clean things up and manage our space a little bit better, make it more usable for the family. Have this Toyota Tacoma with the Project M camper, and had the camper installed for about 5 months now. We went on a few trips, a few long distance trips, 3 to 5 days at a time, and we've been getting by with a pretty basic setup in the back. I got the Project M because basically I'm getting older. My knees are starting to hurt climbing. I had a few rooftop tents in the past, and finally decided to go ahead and go with the camper. I've been wanting one for quite a while, and this setup has been lighter actually than my previous RTT setups, so I'm happy with that. And we're going to be looking to add a cabinet system from Vecel Outdoors. All right, we got the bed emptied out, and sorry, there's a mess in here. This is the other side of my garage gym. I got all the crap here on the floor from the back of the truck, and we were traveling pretty light to begin with. Not a whole lot of stuff in the truck all the time, but having these cabinet system is gonna just make it a lot neater and more organized, keep things out of the view, out of the way. All right, we got it empty. We got her all empty. So that's what I'm using right now for everything power related. That's the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max with the alternator charger, and that thing is a beast. It's powered all my lights, my fridge, any accessories I have while we're out camping. And I mean, we've done this 5-day trips at the most so far, and that's just a good combo to have. The EcoFlow and alternator charger sitting right on top. Thing charges the battery while you're driving. The only thing we need to do is we're going to remove this carpet floor, and we're going to keep the sides for some insulation. I live in the PNW, so a little bit of insulation in the bed. We'll keep that and remove the bottom floor carpet and go from there. But man, I'm excited. Let's get to it. So here's a video of me being impatient and mocking up the cabinets to kind of see where the layout's going to be in the truck. I was waiting on the vinyl for the floor at this time, so I had to use my time wisely until that came in the mail. So check out the quality of this system. I mean, it's exactly what I was looking for. I didn't want to build something custom because I don't trust myself woodworking, and neither does my wife. So this was exactly what we wanted. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. I'm going to end it here. And stay tuned for the next one. Hope you guys like seeing this. Thanks.